So, guess who's cooking? I am. So, I'm gonna make you guys see how I cook. I'm no professional, but I can throw it down in the kitchen. Goodbye. I'm peeling these potatoes, and I'm making the infamous curry chicken and rice, as always. But yeah. You know, we gotta get that. We gotta get that. We gotta get that. But let me tell you, I don't wear makeup every day. I ain't pretty every day. I'm waking up looking like a bag of money every day. That takes on, honey. Let me tell you, it takes me about 2 hours to get ready. Don't tell anybody I told you so. Don't tell anybody that. Oh, Shay knows this, but you know they take forever to get ready sometimes. Cause you know your girl gotta get pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna finish cutting up these stuff and then I'll come back to ya. So I'm back cooking some curry chicken and rice. You know that good shit is not. You see the pot is on low, so I'm about to put this stuff in there and turn the pot on. It's about medium, I think, so I'll put it on 6. And then you mix this up real good. Mix it up. And then you cover your pot. I'm gonna put like my green peppers and tomatoes and stuff later because they're more easier to cook. So yeah, when I'm finished cooking, I come back to you and let you guys see. Something I forgot to tell you guys about before you even reach that step was the first thing you're gonna do is wash your hands. Make sure your hands is clean because nobody wants all that bacteria on your food. So wash your hands, then you get your pot and you put some oil in the pot. Not a lot, just a little bit, a good amount. And then you put your curry powder in the pot. Then you whisk it up with whatever you have, a fork, spoon, whatever. And then you put your meat in it and you let it cook for about 20 minutes. And then you mix it around. Make sure you keep mixing it around while it's cooking for the 20 minutes. Then you put your tomatoes, not your tomatoes, your sweet potatoes and your carrots and stuff in there. Let it cook for like 15 minutes, and then you put your onions, tomatoes, and green pepper in it because those cook more easily. And then you let it cook for another 10 minutes, and then you're done, and you say voila. Girl, let me take you and cook. I think you're there for your pretty looks. Cook! So I'm gonna make some coleslaw. You don't gotta go to KFC every day to my coleslaw. You can make that home. Yes. So you're gonna need. Hold on. I forgot something. This is the Dorella coleslaw mix. I'm just going to throw some in this thing right here. Don't throw a lot. Then I get a big tablespoon and get some mayonnaise. 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on how much you're cooking. And I'm gonna show you how much I'm making right now. So it's right there. I hope you guys can see that. But yeah, that's how much I'm making. So you're gonna get a cup of water like this. My mom used to work there, honey. Yeah. So I'm gonna throw a little, and you don't want to throw too much. Just add it gradually, and then you're gonna mix it around. Because you want it to be creamy and chewy and nice. So you get that. A little more. Depending on how you like it. Then your last step is going to be, you're going to get some sugar and get about a tablespoon of it, and then you're going to put it in the thing, and you're going to mix it real good. Make sure it's all mixed out, and if you need to add a bit more water, you can do that also. So that's about a half a cup of water right there. Look at this. Oh, damn. Look at this creamy goodness right here. Then you're gonna cover it and put it in the fridge. And then you have a coleslaw. Homemade. Yeah. So this is the end product of my food. There's the coleslaw, the curry chicken, the rice. Yes, honey. Presentation is key. This is my mom's plate. But guys, I know that there is McDonald's every 10 block, small grocery store, food store every other corner, but it's very important that you keep yourself healthy, because you can get cancer, high cholesterol, blood pressure. The diseases are endless that you can get. So your health is inevitable that you take care of yourself and your body. So for my family, we cook almost every day. There's sometimes 1 time a week that we get to get pizza, burger, or Chinese food. And that happens occasionally. It's either me cooking or my mom cooking. So I just wanted to share with you guys that I'm not all about beauty and all that other stuff. I do a lot of different things, and I hope you guys enjoy. And one quick tip, when cooking Jamaican food, seasoning is everything, because you know we like that kapow in our food. So you gotta season your food very well. So that's all I wanted to share with you. Like, comment, and subscribe, and you can tell me what you guys want me to do next. Bye. This is the fam eating, and inspiration for everybody who needs it. Bye. Love y'all.